Hey friends, it's Thursday. We're still thinking multiplication today, but I want to relate it back to last week's lesson. Last week we were talking about area. Area was finding the number of square units it takes to cover a surface. Today we're going to be talking about area and relating it to arrays. Those are almost the same word, area, array. We've been talking about arrays with multiplication. So if you'll remember back with me, we said that this is 1 square unit. I could think of this as one row with 1 in each row. I know that 1 times 1 equals just 1. And you're going to learn that later on. It's called the identity property of multiplication, where anything times 1 is just that number. So in this case, it's the most simple of all. 1 times 1 equals just 1. Let's think about this one though. Here I see 1, 2, 3 columns times how many are in each column? 1, 2, 3 equals how many in all? Well, we said last week that the area of this shape is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because it takes 9 squares to cover. And now I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. I can think of area related to arrays. Let's look at this one. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 rows times 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in each row. And I know that 4 times 3 equals 12 in all. I said last week that the area is 12 square units. I'm saying this week that 4 times 3 equals 12. Isn't it awesome how those are related to each other? Let's look at this one. How many rows do we see? 2. How many columns do we see? 2. 2 times 2 equals 4 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this one. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 rows times how many in each row? 2. I know that 4 times 2 equals 8. Just like we said last week, 8 square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's check this one. How many rows do we see? 2. How many are in each row? 3. 2 times 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in all. Just like we said last week, the area was 6 square units. Okay, and then finally, how many rows do I see? That's right, just 1. How many are in that row? 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. Just like I said here, the identity property of multiplication states that anything times 1 just gives us that other number, in this case 3 square units. I want to point out these related facts here. When I see this one, I'm trying to move you a little closer, I see 2 rows times 1, 2, 3 in each row gives me a product of 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. This related fact, I see 1, 2, 3 rows times 2 in each row gives me a total of 6. These facts are related. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. It doesn't matter the order of the factors. You still get the same product or the same answer. Friends, jump onto Education Galaxy and get all 3 stars on my study plan 2.6a. That'll take you through multiplication. Thanks, guys.